Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to my channel. Today we are kicking off an exciting new series on numerical analysis and computation. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone curious about how mathematics and computer solve real-world problems. So this is series for you. So let's dive in. Very first question is that what is a numerical analysis? So, numerical analysis is the study of algorithms that use numerical approximations to solve mathematical problems. Second most important thing to know is this: why is this important? Well, many real world problems are too complex to solve by hand or with exact formulas. Third most important thing is that why should you learn numerical analysis? So, we have many applications of numerical analysis in science and engineering. So, in science and engineering, numerical methods are used to stimulate physical systems like bridges, airplanes, and even space missions. Secondly, data science and artificial intelligence. So many machine learning algorithms rely on numerical optimization and linear algebra. Thirdly is the finance and economics. So numerical methods help model stock market, risk analysis, and economic forecast. And the last is the everyday technology. From your smartphone, GPS to the video games graphic, numerical analysis is everywhere. So next is what will this course cover? So we will cover the introduction to numerical analysis, in which we are understand errors, floating point arithmetics, and stability of the solutions. Secondly, we will cover the methods for solving the nonlinear equations, in which we discuss about the bisection method, NR method, uh, regular falsy method, and etc. Thirdly, we have an interpolation and approximation. In that, we will cover the fitting curves to data points and approximating functions. Next, we will cover the numerical integration, in which we discuss trapezoidal rules and Simpson rule. And next is the numerical differentiation, in which we discuss about the 2-point and the 3-point formula for the first order and the second order differential equations. Then we will cover the linear algebra. In linear algebra, we will solve the system of equation and find out the eigenvalues and eigenvectors by using a numerical method, that is a power method. Last is the differential equation. So in differential equation, we will stimulate dynamic system with ordinary differential equations and with partially differential equations. Okay, tools we will use. So throughout the series, we will use a popular tool like MATLAB. And in MATLAB, we will develop all the codes for all these numerical methods. Next is who is this series for? So this series is for the students who are studying in mathematics, engineering, or computer science. Secondly, for the professional looking to sharpen their computational skills. Now, the finally question is that what you will gain from this series of numerical analysis course. So by the end of this series, you will understand the core concepts of numerical analysis. Secondly, be able to implement numerical algorithms in code. Thirdly, solve real-world problems with confidence. And fourthly, have a strong foundation for advanced topic in scientific computing and data science. So ready to get started, hit that subscribe button and turns on notifications so you don't miss any video. Download the course outline and resources from the link in the description. And don't forget to like this video and share it with anyone who would love to learn numerical analysis. So in the next video, we will dive into the basics of a numerical computation, starting with the floating point arithmetics and error analysis. Trust me, understanding errors is the key mastering numerical methods. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.